Hi, this is Saoirse, coming to you from inside Shrewsbury Abbey on the trail of Cadfæl, Brother Cadfæl. Really Shrewsbury Abbey, and it was founded in 1083. That's over 1,000 years ago, you know, and it's still here. And I'll show you some of the things that we have here. There's a great pipe organ that's not that old. But the area that we're in right now is the Norman time period. So it was founded in 1083 by Roger de Montgomery he was one of the heroes of Hastings and second in command to Billy the Conk. And so anyway, this is really pretty. There really isn't that much left of the Abbey itself. It's just mainly the church here, or the cathedral part. And if you come over here, this down here is original flooring from 1,000 years ago. You can see the tile work there, it's really nice. And I'm being a bit quiet because the lady chapel over here is actually in use right now. So people are offering up prayers. But again, this is the Norman bit. Here's some more artifacts in the old font. So, okay, yeah, only just one person's praying now. So. That's the Lady Chapel. And so we'll come this way, and I'll show you this bit here. If you look right here, this is your man Earl Roger de Montgomery. In 1094 he was placed here, and this is his effigy. So, I'm not sure if that's coming up backwards on this one or not, like Facebook. But anyway, so that's a bit. There's some more famous people over there, including the Alfords. But I'm just going to go over here this way, and we'll show you St Winifred, which, you know, if you remember from the Cadfæl adventures, St Winifred was the relics that they brought from Wales.
I share your lack of appetite for disturbing a sacred lady's bones. Yet if she is neglected, perhaps it is God's will, not only to the glory of our house, but to the great benefit of pilgrims, whom she will never touch where she lies now.
But surely she may touch all who pray to her, near or far.
An expedition will be mounted, and you will be part of it.
Aye, Father.
You have Welsh blood and a knowledge of the world. Brother Prior has neither.
And you can see St Winifred the martyr, and these here. Those are knights, and then this is their font. So you can see that there it is. And this is her effigy here. So I'm not totally sure if the bones themselves are here, because you know, the relics were with the grave robbers and such over there. he's putting that up there for you. And then the only other thing that's really cool is this is a famous person from Shrewsbury, and that's a big deal. And then the other thing that's really nice is this capital here is from the Roman town of Exeter that we went to yesterday. And then the font cover is Victorian, but it's really well detailed with the woodwork and stuff. So. That's a little bit from Shrewsbury Abbey and Brother Cadfæl and everyone. So, here's Shaniga Fall, Slananis.